Okay, I got this calm on this Bugatti. I'm strong in this Bugatti. 2 V8 ain't no such thing as driving calm in this Bugatti. Bitch, I'm bad. I'm worse. I pass.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So first I'm just starting out by brushing my eyebrow hairs into place with my spoolie. Nah, don't even try to comfort these brows. I'm wearing a Chinese bang, so I've been letting them grow out. And make sure when you're filling in your brow, you're using hair-like motions. You don't want it to be too thick. And I know some people are wondering why I'm filling it in when I got a Chinese bang, but my biggest fear is the wind blowing my bang and my eyebrows not being done. When you know, you know. And then I'm just going to use my Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to go ahead and conceal these brows. And I always use a color that's closest to my skin tone when I'm going towards the front of my brow. And I'm not going to set my eye or anything. I'm just going to go ahead and use a warm tone and go ahead and pat that into my eyelid. And I'm just patting in the eyeshadow, and then I'm just blending out the edges. Also, I'm not going to add lashes because I have Volume Mink Lashes by Chrissy Celeste. And now we're going to get right into foundation. Everyone knows I'm loving this Nars foundation. And I always like to start out by patting it in with the brush and then going back with the Beauty Blender. Now you want to make sure you're using hydrating products because this is a summer look, so you don't want to use anything that's too full coverage. I don't know where I would be without my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, but that's the only one like that I'm just overly obsessed with. And then I love blush. I'm going to always go really OD with it. And now we are ready for some glow. And I really like using gold light colors whenever I'm doing something that's dewy or bronzy. And now I'm going to use my MAC powder, which is the same as my skin tone. And I'm just going to dust away any excess powder and go ahead and bring some warmth back to my skin. Now, I will say you have to believe the hype. This Morphe setting spray is everything. Now, this look is just about complete. I'm just doing a look combo that's going to complement this look. Now, this is the perfect look when you're going out in this heat, especially if you're in South Florida like I am. You don't want anything too heavy. And this look will only take about 15 minutes. Listen, that's a look. Thank you guys for watching as always. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.